Welcome to datviz AI, a web-based application powered by OpenAI. Open your browser and enter the datviz AI URL. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address and click I am human, then follow the verification steps. Click the Continue button. In this step, you'll see a confirmation message guiding you to check your email and verify your account within 10 minutes. Check your email for a verification link and click Verify. Once verified, you will be redirected to the chat page. You'll see two options: upload your CSV file and use sample data. Click Use sample data to continue. The system will display the number of available credits. A sample data table will be displayed on the screen, providing an overview of the dataset for reference. You are now ready to visualize your data. datviz AI provides suggestions for chart generation. Click on the pie chart prompt. The prompt will appear in the input field. As you click the Generate button, the pie chart will appear, displaying your data visually. You can download the pie chart as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF by selecting your preferred format. Let's generate a bar plot to show the average price per product. Just click the Generate button. Click on a bar to see the average price for that product appear instantly. Let's generate a histogram to visualize the distribution of amounts. Just click the Generate button. Next, let's generate a box plot to show the distribution of prices by store type. Hover over the box plot to view the 5-number summary, including the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Select the suggested line chart and click the Generate button to create it. Use the zoom tool to focus on specific details and analyze the chart more closely. Generate a scatter plot to explore the relationship between average price and quantity. Let's click the Statistics button to view the data description, total observations and variables, missing data summary, variable types, and a numeric overview, including unique values, mean, median, and mode. Next, you can download the statistics as a CSV or PDF file. Return to the chat page and upload a new CSV file by clicking the Upload button. Let's upload a dataset with longitude and latitude columns to enable geomap visualization. Use the zoom tool to focus on specific locations and details in the geomap. Let's generate a heat map to visualize the correlation matrix of all numerical columns. Click the Exit button to return to the login page. Thank you for watching this short demo. Have fun exploring datviz AI. For any questions, please email support@datvizai.com. We will respond as soon as possible, typically within 24 hours.